Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be discussing what are limit switches, how do they work, and what are their types. So let's get started. As you can see, practically I have two limit switches available right with me. So you can see there are ratings on limit switches. This is 10 ampere 250 volts AC limit switch. It has dual operation, NO contacts and C contacts. I will explain how do they work. So this is also NO and C limit switch. I will discuss what are their applications. So basically, let's get started to little bit its theory, how do they work. So basically it does have an adjustable lever. This is the lever, and this is operated by mechanical physical force. Same is the case with this switch. We have this lever. Okay, the other thing that when I push it and when I leave, it retains its original position owing to the loaded spring inside it. It has a loaded spring. So basically it is an electromechanical switch. It has NO NC switches or dual switches. The limit switches I do have right now are NO NC. So these are dual switches. When it is being pushed, the lever is being pushed, inside the NO contacts are toggled to NC and NC are toggled to NO. So basically the devices which are connected to it, let's say for the protection or for any reason, they will change their operation and so on. Let me open this switch for you. So let's stay connected. And this is the case, so I have removed it. You can see there are its ratings. It is basically operated on AC only. AC 380 volts are also we can operate it on DC 220 volts. When we will operate it on 380 volts AC, it will take 0.79 ampere current, or when on DC it will take 0.091 ampere, or threshold its thermal limit is 10 ampere. So okay, so let's get started. So this is inside of limit switch, this is the spring, and this is the lever. Let's see what happens when I push or operate this lever. You see, NO changes to NC and NC changes to NO. So basically in normal position, this contacts is NO, this is NC. Okay, when we use it, when a physical force is applied on the lever, as you can see, they will change their contacts. So basically this will become NO, and the circuit will be opened, and our safety will be operated for which purpose our this is being used. You can see from this side it has the same function whether you move it this side or this side. And you see, when I move the lever, our spring is being compressed. When we leave, it is loaded spring, it will retain its original position. So that's how basically it works. It has the same principle. you can see mechanically they are being operated. So that's it. It is also operated on 250 volts AC 10 ampere. This is the limit switch basically. I think I have made it very much clear, and their applications are various. They are being used in elevators, they are being used in oven doors, in fridge door, refrigerator door, fridge door. As you can see, when we open the door, you can see the light gets on, and when we close the door, the light will close. It means that it all just because of the limit switches being installed over there. In industry they have many other applications too. So that's it.